Hello, this is Daniel Greedy with a quick look at the markets for today, Wednesday, May 21st. Coming up on the economic calendar today at 8:30 GMT, we have the minutes from the Bank of England's last policy meeting, which could generate some volatility in the pound and, of course, in British stocks. Then at 11 o'clock, we have mortgage applications from the United States. At 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we have consumer confidence for the Eurozone, which is an important indicator for the European economy. So we could see some volatility in the Euro as well as in European stocks. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we have a speech by Fed Chairwoman Janet Yellen. However, we're not expecting any forward guidance here, but we might have some volatility in equities. But the major event of the day is at 6 o'clock in the afternoon when we have the minutes from the last FOMC meeting, which could generate some volatility in equities. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 yesterday dropped by 0.7%. This was mostly over concern about market valuations. And we had a similar situation during the Asian session. Early trading today in Asia, Asian stocks moved on the downside as well, continuing with concerns over the world economic growth. And going into the session today, S&P 500 futures are pretty much unchanged at the moment. The Euro's been trading pretty much sideways, keeping around 137. We have support at 136.50 and resistance at 137.50. The pound has also been moving, continuing on the upside in line with its upwards channel that it's been maintaining for several months now. We have somewhat weak support here at 168.40 and a stronger support level at 168, and above that we have resistance at 169. The yen has continued to move on the downside. This move was following the policy decision by the Bank of Japan earlier today, in which they decided to continue with stimulus unchanged, maintaining their stimulus level, and this led to some strength in the yen, pushing this pair to the downside. We'd have to wait for today's close to determine that there is a breakout on the downside. For the moment, we're looking at support at 100.20 and resistance at 101.25. And finally, here we have gold. Gold has been trading sideways for several weeks now. It's keeping within its range of 1,280 support and resistance at 1,310. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.